How to deposit money on Kraken Wallet. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over here on the left side and you're going to click on our transfer. Over here, this is where we will be able to deposit and withdraw. So first things first, simply select the asset that you want to deposit into your Kraken Wallet, whether it's some cryptocurrency or some euro or money over here directly. For example, we're going to go with euro over here. You could choose the deposit method over here, as you can see. So whether it's manual bank transfer or Etana custody over here, then simply select the account option over here, and then you're going to, of course, enter your bank details over here. After that, after entering all the necessary bank details that you have, you should then be able to deposit how much you want into your Kraken over here. So similarly, it depends on what type of asset you're trying to deposit, whether it's Bitcoin, as you can see. It's going to be in this area. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.